my name is Dan Olison and I'm with Wild Rose Irrigation. Today we're going to be installing an indoor manifold and an outdoor pipe stand for an underground automatic sprinkler system here in the lovely community of Tuscany in Calgary, Alberta. We're also going to be installing a 6-station Rainbird timer. This main line is like the heart of the system. It vehicles the water from inside the house to the various zones in the outdoor landscape. To complete the main line, we have to tee into the existing water supply for the house. Extend the PEX pipe to install an indoor manifold that includes a dual check valve or a backflow preventer, and a ball valve with a drain that manually shuts off the water supply. The backflow preventer is labeled with arrows that indicate the direction of flow. Essentially, it's important that the pieces of the indoor manifold are put together in the proper sequence, or it simply won't work. Then continue the pipe to an exit point on the side of the house that will connect the indoor plumbing to an outdoor pipe stand. The outdoor pipe stand is built with a 3/4 inch hose bib, which is primarily used for winterization purposes, and another ball valve that acts as a service valve to shut off the water to the irrigation system from the outside. Before we cut into the main water supply line to the house, we want to make sure that that main water supply is shut off. We also want to drain as much water as possible. So we turn on some taps, flush some toilets, and then loosen the drain plug by the main water shutoff and drain the residual water into a bucket. Careful not to lose that drain plug or overfill the bucket. We cut into the main line downstream of the water meter. Insert our PEX tee and secure it with PEX rings and a PEX crimper. We then extend that pipe with necessary elbows and couplings if needed to eventually install the indoor manifold. We now have to drill an 1.25 inch hole through the side of the house. Common rules apply. Measure twice and drill once. No room for error. We push the PEX pipe through the hole and connect it to the outdoor pipe stand. In the spring, we'll extend that pipe to 8 to 12 inches under the ground. Through that same hole, we'll also push a 9-strand wire to connect the automatic controller to future automatic valves. Once we're done fishing everything from inside to outside, we will silicone that hole back up and replace the insulation. The isolated irrigation supply line has been installed, so now all we have to do is install the brains of the system, or the automatic controller, often referred to as the timer or computer. Most timers include the transformer and usually have to be installed within 6 feet of an electrical outlet. For this project, we have chosen the user-friendly Rainbird 6-station controller. A 9-strand wire will accommodate 8 zones, and even though we expect this system to only need 5 zones, we often experience our customers wanting to expand on their system to serve new areas that were not considered in the original design. A few hours later, we're all done. We place our business cards next to the controller so that we're easy to find and so the homeowner knows who to call when maintenance is needed. We also tag the indoor manual shutoff so the homeowner can easily locate it and differentiate it from the other valves in the home. Our business number is there again, so they know who to call should an immediate situation arise. Well, I'm Dan with Wild Rose Irrigation. I want to thank you for sharing your time with me as we installed the indoor manifold and the outdoor pipe stand and the timer for our client's underground automatic sprinkler system here in Tuscany. I should note that different contractors might have different methods and use different materials. But with 18 years of personal experience and 35 years of combined experience here at Wild Rose, we feel that our methods and our products are truly the best way of installing an underground sprinkler system, and we stand behind that with an unprecedented 6-year warranty. Again, my name is Dan with Wild Rose Irrigation. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.